If you see we won, nipa or yet dangerous and you, your bar or yet okita chameleon character. Vanessa, it's been 4 years near. Why are dear? Why shankwalari? Why are dear? And then nuntika kempuntina. Meso mekopa bulare atwa bula de me boni chair me. Mame kan bofuna man fon tibi. Bula forgave me. So because of that, I forgave you when you called me. Vanessa, when you called me with a different line, because I've blocked all your numbers 4 years, I've not spoken to you.
Orofo, yemo kwaba, ajeta ewo social media no supio. Funny face, any baby mama, Vanessa, asa dia boy ni tiekakra.
When you called me and you were begging, say I should unblock you, you want me to co-parent with you, you want me to come closer to the children, you love me in Nema. Vanessa, I remember why you said all those things. You realize I was laughing because I know you are fake. I unblocked you, Vanessa. I unblocked you. What did I do wrong? I unblocked you. I started connecting with my children. Now all of a sudden, when I call you, you don't pick up. When I call you, madam, my busy. And it's not about that. It's not about you. It's about my children. It's not about you. I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to my kids. But they are small girls. 5 years, 3 years. 21st May, Ella and Bella being 5 years. 24th November, baby Kimberly being 4 years. Me who need that? And you know this thing is killing me. I mean, I dare me, Vanessa. I wouldn't name how I'm crazy about these children. I've been warned from the psychiatric say, Mom, there's no way I will open Kwalani interest. Everything is about you. O friend me also about Accra. O pesi Asia. Now pesi meet me near catch up one. I'm catch say me near Winiba. So I can't make it.
Asaba beto dwa funny face aye video ene atwa beto social media no so patch say ne baby mama ya your friend Vanessa epesa wasama okọ psychiatric obi wo koda o me esa kohwehwe na adwemu na wonim se breka kranie funny face be yare ye be ye se ne ma woni ababa wa wi awo wo mu ababa wa ma no kwan e ma na men koda yi a wokọdwendwen ho ama fa ni tirima ye de no koto psychiatric ese wanya adwemu hawa adofo so ni mu aboa ama se ni waba ni normal sense no funny face asa ba bontia be ye video akasa e kire se ni baby mama eye bayfo
Hey ama we are bayfo what we are bayfo you tell me as say obi ba life say but this time I make my chance no me my chance kwala no makuma munim how crazy I am about them. We post to where we are. Mesa post to me no mo chat. You screenshot amu whom how happy they are. Who sana ya. Who say using kwala against me bi now can say family three mu bi mo. Yen say family ko wo. Emma so I'll fight to my last breath. Kwala no that bi ombenyi ehun say omunti e na 77 me call psychiatric. Did them be catch no mo busa for me say kwala na dwen about me bia say mo papa doesn't care say who say if our father didn't care why did he go to psychiatry because of us? And there are videos to prove. You know the first say with me when you ahwe kwala no anything me the be chew me kan we dem we to four bo bompaye na say kikimi na strike here. Now it is anyum way bang ole sekeni way what is anyum ni pedwane because attack
omintemrim on the wa Nana Bema Spiritual and Herbal Center Kumasi Kenyase Kenkansi Gao Junction Bema wayemre untimi nitwa okotimu ayemre ya wa bruchi wo Ghana top graphic man crofo kenkan mesra obomoden nebra Nana Bema asoye sunsun fani hunam fam akwantu sem ya bodua krata sem ade bia tetu bia no wode wani chirim ewo Kenya ase adwumam Kenkansi Gao Junction Nana Bema number na wo screen na se na bomoden nefa ene nana enkasa so wa mono na so wa ha wode ane sa one ne bekasa one ne kasa dia how bia no de to nanima obeboa yenkuni nkotie nsem no mu nyina de funny face angasa e de to dwa e de fa ne baby mama ehun
Ever since I told you, say, I'm men shout to back, I'm men shout, because I can make shout, Sabi, Nazachi me, I'm not my dog. What you say? Men shout, Sadi, I'm in Kwalani Casabium, interfere, fret like, I'm his own friend, like me, fra, peke, and I face with fra, why you busy? No, I'm be a peke, what that? Whether it's not about you. Amen. It's not about you, it's about the children. It is one mama bankwalano. No, it's a family dress and run kwalani mubium. I have video recordings of many kwalano. No supposed to be mobile. How I tried coming back. At the oye mean yama. I made him go to psychiatric. Sa ama makot de prison wunti. What's that get kroya? And was my baby mano. One wa dia fe oye bium. Ama. One was my pen kwalana and was a blocking chance of me seeing the children.
Or for saying as he call you, and penisi or dos son, now toward dapper, and Nadia, funny face, and any baby mama, and as a camboso, our social media use was, see, crowd it was say. I was also to free Ghana cra, over to turn it down a cousin and Sassabio would be a no one year. Nanny baby mama, I'm an answer for psychiatric. You may cost wedding some yechi, you may free my baby, yet about best some.